The thing that I love the most about Troy thus far has got to be its affordability. The quality, when I first looked into the program, the quality of the program is what attracted me. But once I was in the program, the affordability of the program is what has kept me grounded.
A few things. One in particular are the professors. The professors I've had so far have been absolutely wonderful. Not only the lectures have been enlightening, all the professors have been so informative, and we interact in class. Secondly, I've enjoyed the friends that I've met, the groups and the presentations. All of that have been absolutely wonderful since attending Troy.
It is so easy to get to know your professors. Because there's a small class size, it's a more intimate environment. It's easier for the professors to get to know their students, but also the professors are so accessible that it's easy for the students to get to know them. Since Troy itself as a city is such a close-knit community, you see your professors out doing life, so you don't view them as someone who is unattainable. It's someone who is warm and inviting, and you know you can go to them when you have a problem. At other schools, they only know you by what number you are. It's hard for the professors to get to know the students because there's just so many of them. But at Troy, you really are your name. You are not the number that you're given.
I think Troy helped shape my life by getting me prepared for the future. I think that's one thing that the faculty and staff does really well, just invest in every student that comes through the doors at Troy. And so I think it helped shape my life just to be prepared for really anything that comes my way as I move forward with my life.
As far as investing in our students, I think it starts with time. We recognize that students have different priorities, that students are people, and so we are just one of their priorities. So we want to make sure that their time is used wisely. So as far as getting students prepared for the job market, for life outside the walls of Troy University, first we want to make sure that we can do everything in our power to make sure that they have the tools required to succeed. In addition to simply time, we know that we have to put in the effort. And we're willing to put in the effort because we know what the product looks like on the other side. We know what preparing our students looks like when we put them into successful careers, into successful opportunities. And so we just want to make sure that day by day, each student, each person, each life that we touch is a successful investment in not only the local community, the state community, but the global community as well.
The online process is very convenient. You can work from library, home. You can even, some of it you can even do from your phones, laptops, tablets. So it's very convenient.
I've honestly loved it. I've loved every minute of this. Everybody's so welcoming and helpful, and you don't feel like you're just another student to them. Like, they actually genuinely care about your success and you and enjoying the experience.
Troy is not just a classroom, a location, a program, or a campus. It is a global network that is invested in your success. So, here's to the school we love. So here's to the school we love.
Here's to the school we love. The school we love.
Me encanta Troy. Here's to the school.
We're with you all the way. So get out there, team, and fight, fight, fight. And we.
So here's to the school we love. Woo!
Troy is with you all the way.